The rivalry, or we must say the Cold War between Deepika Padukone and Kangana Ranaut is not hidden from anyone, and we know that the two constantly have been at loggerheads with each other. In fact, Kangana, who has never shied away from making boldest confessions in public, sometimes back accepted her Cold War with Deepika, and since then the two have been reportedly at loggerheads. But how it all started? Well, it all began with Deepika dedicating her Best Actress award for her film Happy New Year during an award function to Kangana for the latter's performance in Queen, but it took an ugly turn during the screening of Kangana's Tanu Weds Manu Returns, where Kangana had invited Deepika for screening, but neither she came nor Kangana got any response. In fact, Deepika also didn't call Kangana for the screening of her film Piku. This kind of reaction from Deepika left Kangana sad and was quoted as saying that she supports her contemporaries but wants them to support her as well. But this didn't end anytime soon, as just about few days after this incident, Deepika, on being asked about her fight with Kangana, was quoted as saying, "It's only one-sided, it's irrelevant, it's really irrelevant. I have way too much going in my life, so what people say, what people do, what people think is really irrelevant." However, Kangana on records went on to reveal that how Deepika had never been supportive of her and was jealous of her success. In fact, Kangana was the highest paid actress as reports claim and even hiked her fee up to 50%, about which, on being asked, Kangana had said, "There is no particular reason. I have been working for the last 7 years and analyzing whatever I have earned till date in this profession. I think I deserve, and so I am demanding money." And now that Deepika has officially taken up this crown of being the highest paid actress here in Bollywood, as reported by Forbes magazine, and also being the 10th highest paid actress in the world, where does Kangana and Deepika's rivalry stand? Is it settled already or going to continue forever?